Driver statements, ready in 2 clicks. Here's how. This is LOADFlow PRO. It's a Chrome extension that lives right inside Amazon Relay. See those little icons next to each settlement row? That's LOADFlow. Click one and the invoice is pulled in. Drivers matched automatically, no jumping to trips history. Disputes work the same way. Initial filing, appeal, status, all right next to each other. When you're ready, build a statement for the week. Add the invoices you want. Add any dispute line items. Click Get Excel. Done. That's your driver statement for the week. Formatted, ready to send. What used to take 2 or 3 hours now takes a few minutes. Try it free for 21 days at loadflow.app. No card needed.